So the other day, I was dramatically looking out my window, just pondering, thinking what I'm gonna do for my next video. And I see these kids playing, and their parents around as well. And the parents are chatting, the kids are playing. And then all of a sudden, a baby enters. And instantly, it was as though the baby was a magnet. Everyone was just attracted right to it. And it got me thinking, wow, babies have a lot of clout. Now hear me, okay? Adults love babies. Children love babies. Hell, even babies love other babies, okay? Have you seen them play and interact with each other? They're obsessed with them. And they're not even doing anything, they're just lying around. They're not making any noise and everyone's freaking out. They make a little bit of noise, they say the most stupidest little gibberish like "kukaka" and everyone's freaking out. Or they make too much noise, and they're just screaming their freaking heads off and everyone's freaking out. Babies have everyone wrapped up in their cute little itty bitty hands. I'm surprised they haven't used more babies as a marketing strap. There's probably more laws around it now, and that's probably why, but I assure you, you throw a baby in anywhere and everyone's just instantly smitten. Now notice I did not say that teens love babies. It's not that we don't. Also, I'm not exactly a teen, but come on, okay? I still feel like it. I'm not that far away from being a teen. It's not that teens don't love babies. It's just that we're not as susceptible to their charms. I've met some people around my age who aren't the biggest fans of babies. In fact, we're freaked out by them. And that's because we know, okay? Deep down, we know somewhere the babies have too much clout. And yet, if a baby is around, there's nothing we can do about it. You can't just be like, no, I am not catering to the baby's needs. You can't say that. That makes you a monster. We may not want to be susceptible to their charms, but we have no other choice. I mean, you can't say no to a baby. It's a universal rule. And also, they are too damn cute, okay? So, it's kind of hard to say no to their faces either, because it's not like they know what they're doing. And there's no bigger flex than having the approval of a baby. If you pick one up and they don't cry, dude, I've got magic hands. They love me. I'm such an amazing person. A baby accepts me. Because let's be honest, babies and children just give their opinions so freely because they're innocent, right? They don't have a filter in their head that says, no, don't say that. But this is what's wrong with our system. We start out with so much power and control over people, and as you grow, they slowly take it away from you, and you don't even realize it until it's too late. And usually by the time you realize it, it's when you're a teen. That's why teenagers are depressed, okay? Because we don't have the control we used to have. But you learn to make peace with it as you transition into an adult. And you realize, you know what? I have no significance anymore. I have to put my energy and time into other babies and children. That's what my life's gonna be from now on. And you know what's worse? Is that we all start out as babies, right? So we've all had that insane control over people at one point in our life, but we don't even freaking know it. We're so busy trying to figure out how to crawl on our hands, we don't even know we're missing out on the biggest opportunities of our life. It sucks. But it does make sense. Imagine you did have that control over people as an adult. You make the barest of noises and people freak out and go to the ends of the earth to get you exactly what you want. I'm not gonna lie, if I had that power, I will misuse it. I will ask people to do some crazy shiz for me, because who wouldn't, right? So I guess it kind of makes sense why people are willing to give us that power when we're a baby and not when we're an adult. But it would be nice though. It really would be nice. At least once, there should be one day where we have that power to just scream and have people line up with everything you need and want and don't want, all offered up to you on a silver platter just so you wouldn't be in distress anymore. But on the other hand, imagine having to be the person that has to be at the beck and call of an adult who's just throwing a tantrum. That would be really annoying. I would hate to be that person, so it's understandable why they wouldn't give us that power, because nobody wants to be that person that has to just blindly serve another person. That's slavery. Where am I going with this? In an ideal world, nobody would have that power, not even babies. But that's kind of hard to do when they don't even know that they have that power. That's just how they communicate. And what are you gonna do? Not feed a baby when it's crying of hunger? You can't say, nobody controls my decisions and choices but me. I will feed you when I choose to. So go ahead and scream all you want, you little munchkin. No, that's just how they communicate. They don't know any words. Screaming is the only thing they have figured out in their life thus far. So it doesn't make any sense. So I guess this conversation was pointless. Thanks for joining anyway. I also just like to take a quick moment to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Thank you to all the people who like the videos. Thank you to all the people who share the videos. And thank you to the 2 beautiful people who commented. And all of the people who have also bothered to DM me. Thank you so much. It really does mean a lot to me. Yeah. I don't know how to say it, but I'm just really grateful and I'm so thankful. I just really want to build a good, healthy community where we can all discuss all these weird ideas and we can all be supportive of each other. And I also want to say that I'm just talking about random stuff that pops up into my head, and they're completely just my side and my opinions of things, and it's not necessary that you should agree with everything that I say. So it's completely fine if you do disagree with me, or if you agree with me, you're free to comment whatever, as long as you're doing it respectfully. So just wanted to make that very clear.